This is the last video of Canadian Curriculum Grade 1. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about science. In science, there are 6 contents: our body, living things, object and materials, energy and the sun, sources of energy, daily and seasonal changes. So, I'm just going to tell you one example, and that's called the energy and the sun. It's called a food chain. So, come on. Here's the sun. Here. So, the sun makes the carrot. The carrot makes so the rabbit eats the carrot. And the snake eats the rabbit. And that's called the food chain. So, friends, it was the Canadian Curriculum Grade 1 book. It helps us learn maths, English, social studies, and science in an easy way. I really like it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, Learn with Aarna. I'll meet you in the next video. Until bye.